Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. What's your name?
My name is Rizamin and what's your name?
My name is Myra Mudassir.
Oh, it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
In which class do you read?
I read in KG class, and in which class do you read?
I read in class 7th.
What is the name of your school?
The name of my school is Government Upper Primary School Laureate. And your school's name?
My school's name is Hamdar Grammar School Tral.
How old are you?
I am 7 years old, and how old are you?
I am in my early 14 years.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are watering plants and reading books. And share your hobbies?
My hobbies are listening story and painting.
Oh, what is your ambition in life?
I want to become an IAS officer.
Oh, Sam here. At last, please tell me which is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is strawberry. And which is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Thank you.
Meet you soon. Please like, share, and subscribe.